Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and fit. Today I am going to start the fourth lesson of English channel book, and the name of the lesson is Wish Day. This is your July course. So, children, firstly I am going to tell you the summary of this lesson. Children, have you ever seen a magician? Magician. Do you know the Hindi meaning of magician? Magician means jadugar. Or in English you can say a magician is a person who shows a magic. Or have you ever seen a magic? Magic means jadoo. And how does a magician look like? Do you know how does a magician look like? Magician wear a long coat and magician has a magic stick in his hand. And what is this magic stick called, children? It is called a wand. W-A-N-D, wand. He waves the wand and things appear and disappear. वो अपने वैंड को हिलाता है तो चीज़ें क्या होती है, अपीयर होती है, आती है और गायब हो जाती है. Now in this lesson there is a teacher. The teacher name is Miss Wezi. She is the teacher in Everest school and the name of the school is Everest, and the teacher name is, children, Miss Wezi. W-I-Z-Z-Y. Now this teacher, Miss Vezi, used to perform a magic for children. On a special days, when there is some special days, she come to the class and give surprise to the children by showing some magic. This is a Children's Day, 14th November, and usually Miss Vezi come to the class and she has a surprise for the children. She is wearing a long coat. Children, do you know what is long coat that a magician wear? That long coat is called a cloak. C-L-O-A-K, cloak. She has a magic wand. Magic stick is called wand. Okay, what do you mean by wand? W-A-N-D, wand. Magic stick is called wand. And children were very excited to see Miss Vezi in a silver clock. This is a short summary, children. ये एक short summary है जो इस chapter में हमें पढ़ना है. ये मैंने थोड़ा सा बता दिया है. Now I will read the chapter first, then I will explain you thoroughly. Now come to page number 32. Read one line by line with me. Miss Vezi is a teacher at Everest School and she has come to do magic. But she shows her magic tricks only on a special days. Today is 14th November, Children's Day. It is the best day to do a few magic tricks, she says to herself. The children should enjoy themselves. Miss Vezi put on her silver cloak, takes her golden wand, and come to school. When the children in her class see her, they are excited. Sanya, the class monitor, tells the other children, we must behave ourselves and be good. We must not upset Miss Vezi. The children quickly and quietly sit down. Miss Vezi greets the class and says, children, I have a special treats for you. Today is Wish Day. To start with, I wish each child to get a bar of chocolate. She waves her wand in the air and says, Abracadabra. Let's every child in the class gets a bar of chocolate. The children clap their hands with happiness as chocolate bars appear on their desk. Thank you, Miss. The children says together as they munch on their chocolates. Would you like to see some more magic, children? Asked Miss Wizzy. Yes, yes, all the children shout together. Now come to page number 33. Well, let us do something different this time. Each of you should make a wish for yourself. You must wish for something small. Now close your eyes and make your wish, says Miss Wizzy. The children close their eyes. Miss Wizzy waved her wand. There is a complete silence for a moment or two, and then it looks as if the classroom has turned into a mini zoo. The dog chases a cat, the cat chases a mouse, a white rat runs up to Suraj's pant, a rooster crows loudly, and a talking parrot screeches, be quiet. An owl perches on the top of the cupboard and look at the children with its big round eyes. A baby monkey climbs on the window and doesn't get down, and a small puppy sits on the floor and whoops softly. Seeing all this, the children start clapping and jumping up and down joyfully. Now, children, turn your page. The animals run around the room till Miss Wizzy waved her wand and ordered them to go to the children who had wished for him. All is quiet and normal again in the classroom. The children who had wished for small toys and books find them in their bags. They all are very happy. I hope you all enjoyed yourself, says Miss Wizzy. Yes, miss, this is the best Children's Day ever. Thank you so much. Now, children, come to page number 32. I am going to explain this chapter. Miss Wizzy is a teacher at Everest School. मिस वेजी कहाँ पे टीचर थी? एवरेस्ट स्कूल में. एंड शी कैन डू मैजिक. और वो क्या करती थी? मैजिक करती थी, जादू दिखाती थी. बट शी शोज़ हर मैजिक ट्रिक्स ओनली ऑन अ स्पेशल डेज. लेकिन वो अपना मैजिक कुछ खास ही दिनों में सिर्फ दिखाती थी. सिर्फ कुछ स्पेशल डेज आता था, उसी में मिस वेजी जो है अपने ट्रिक्स को, मैजिक ट्रिक्स को दिखाती थी. चिल्ड्रन, द नेम ऑफ द स्कूल इज एवरेस्ट स्कूल and the name of the teacher is Miss Wizzy. So today is 14th November Children's Day. आज कौन सा दिन है? 14th November Children's Day. It is the best day to show a few magic tricks she says to herself. Miss Wizzy ने खुद से क्या कहा? आज 14th November है, Children's Day. आज सबसे अच्छा दिन है बच्चों को कुछ मैजिक दिखाने का. द चिल्ड्रेन शुड इन्जॉय देमसेल्फ. बच्चों को बहुत ही ज़्यादा मज़ा आएगा. मिस वेजी पुट ऑन हर सिल्वर क्लॉक एंड टेक हर गोल्डन वैन. मिस वेजी ने क्या पहना? सिल्वर क्लॉक. सिल्वर क्लॉक मीन्स लॉन्ग कोट. शी इज़ वियरिंग अ लॉन्ग कोट. What do you know, children? Do you know what is long coat that a magician wear? The long coat that a magician wear is called the cloak. CLOAK. So Miss Vezzy also wear a silver cloak. Miss Vezzy ने भी क्या पहना? एक silver cloak means that long coat. And take her golden wand. और अपना golden wand लिया. Wand means magic stick. A thin stick used by a magician while doing tricks is called wand. WAND wand. And comes to school. और अपना सिल्वर क्लॉक और गोल्डन वैंड लेके मिस वेजी कहाँ आ गई? स्कूल में. When the children in her class sees her, they are excited. जैसे ही बच्चों ने उन्हें देखा क्लास में, वो बच्चे क्या हो गए? बहुत ही ज़्यादा उत्तेजित हो गए. Sana, the class monitor, tells the other student. Sana. Who is Sana? Sana is the class monitor. आपके भी क्लास में क्लास कैप्टन होते हैं ना, वैसे ही उस क्लास के क्लास मॉनिटर कौन था? Sana. We must behave ourselves and be good. हम लोग को क्या है? अपने आप को अच्छे से रखना है. We must not upset Miss Vezzy. हम लोग को मिस वेजी को परेशान नहीं करना है. The children quickly and quietly sit down. बच्चे जल्दी से और शांति से क्लास में बैठ गए. Miss Vezzy greets the class and says, "Children, I have a special treats for you." क्लास में मिस वेजी ने इंटर किया और बच्चों से क्या कहा? जैसे आपके क्लास में भी टीचर्स आती हैं तो गुड मॉर्निंग विश आप लोग करते हो ना, मैम भी आप लोग को ग्रीट्स करती है, गुड मॉर्निंग बोलती है. वैसे ही मिस वेजी अपने क्लास में इंटर की और बच्चों से गुड मॉर्निंग कहा और क्या कहा कि आज मेरे पास आप लोग के लिए कुछ स्पेशल है. टुडे इज़ विश डे. To start with, I wish each child to get a bar of chocolate. आज विश डे है तो हम चाहते हैं कि सारे बच्चों के पास एक एक चॉकलेट होनी चाहिए. She waves her wand. उसने अपने वैंड को हिलाया. In air. कहाँ पे? एयर में, हवा में. And says. क्या कहा? आबरा का डाबरा. Let every child in the class get a bar of chocolate. और जैसे ही उसने अपने वैंड को, वैंड मीन्स मैजिक स्टिक, जैसे ही मैजिक स्टिक को एयर में हिलाया और क्या कहा? आबरा का डाबरा, तभी सारे बच्चों के पास क्या आ गया? चॉकलेट्स आ गया. The children clap their hand with happiness. और बच्चे क्या हुए? खुशी से क्लैपिंग करना स्टार्ट कर दिए. As chocolate bar appear on their desk. जैसे ही डेस्क पे चॉकलेट का बार आया, बच्चे क्या करने लगे? खुशी से क्लैपिंग करने लगे. Thank you, miss. The children says together as they munch on their chocolates. जैसे ही चॉकलेट आया, बच्चे क्लैप करने लगे और क्या बोले मिस वेजी को? थैंक यू. और सारे बच्चे साथ ही में चॉकलेट्स को खाना स्टार्ट कर दिया. मंच मीन्स eat noisily. Would you like to see some more magic? Children asked Miss Vezzy. Miss Vezzy ने बच्चों से क्या पूछा? क्या आपको और मैजिक देखने का मन है? Yes, yes. All children shouts together. सभी बच्चे क्या कर एक साथ जोर जोर से चिल्लाने लगे. हाँ हाँ, मेरे को और जादू देखना है. So children, this is the first part of this chapter and the next part I will teach you tomorrow. Thank you.